take a step back. I don't want you getting assaulted also.
What the hell's wrong with you? I've seen toddlers behave more mature. As a matter of fact, that is an insult to toddlers. By comparing you and whatever you're doing to them.
Oh yeah, that's how it always starts. But then later there's running and screaming.
Dick, come here.
You stay far enough back and then nobody gets insulted, okay? I got another partner on the way. As soon as he gets here, we'll put her in custody. She can go to jail for...
You know, I guess the officers need new equipment in the form of duct tape.